Okay, finally my mic is working. This is just a quick unboxing first impression. So if you want an in-depth review of the pieces of the collection, subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna film that and upload that this week. It's that time of the month. One of the few things that get me excited every month is unboxing Buffbunny collection. And I'm freaking excited to unbox this thing. My package arrived last night and I have been trying to hold it in. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing for you before I wear these to the gym. I'm just super excited and you can tell because I am already wearing one of the pieces. Look, I even painted my nails green for this collection. So, Unbreakable collection is launching March 29th. That's Saturday at 1 p.m. CST as usual. And I have a lot of bright in here and some darker neutral colors. I am a neutral girly and I lean towards more neutral, darker colors because that's just fit my style. But I'm not gonna lie, these pieces are stunning. They're gorgeous and took me hours and hours to decide which one to get. I just wish I could have them all. But I have a good amount of pieces to share, so brace yourselves, you're gonna freak out. We're gonna have a first look of the collection together. Anyway, before I open the rest of the package, I am wearing Halo Baby Tee in the color Atari. This color is not new, but it's new to me. I'm relatively new, so I haven't tried everything from them, but apparently this color is not new, but it's gorgeous. This is one of the colors that I'm most excited about today. Halo Baby Tee is one of my favorite pieces from Buffbunny collection. I just love them. I love the way it fits me. I love the way it hugs my body, and I need them in every color. They only came up with 2 colors for this collection, Ring Pop and Atari, and I am hoping that they launch more colors because I just love it. Okay, first thing we got is the Legacy Short 4 inches in the color Warhead. I love the 4 inches better than the 6 one. I'm 5'4" and that fits me better in my opinion. I like how it looks on me better. So this is, oh my god, this color is stunning. This color is beautiful. I have never owned this color, I think, ever in my life. It has the butterfly detail as usual with the logo over here. By the way, I am wearing extra small in all the pieces. Okay, let me check my PDF here. Legacy shorts come in 6 colors. We have grape juice, hard candy, pop rocks, fashion print, pop rocks, and warhead. Love that color. Let's see what else we got. I'm just gonna put it here. Next one is, what is this? Reversible Racerback Sports Bra in Onyx Black and white. So it's reversible sports bra. I love reversible because it's 2 colors. So you're basically getting 2 pieces for the price of 1. I love that. So this is what it looks like. It's classic black, but when you flip it, it's black and white. A lot of these reversible pieces, you can tell that they are reversible, but with this, I can't even tell because it's so good. Just remove this tag right here and you're good to go. But this is what it looks like. It's super cute. I've seen some of the BTC girls and it looks absolutely gorgeous on them. I don't have them, but I hope it would still look good on me. I got the classic black and white because the black one, I can just easily pair it with other pieces. By the way, this comes in 4 different colors. We have Warhead and Cotton Candy, Margarita Atari, Onyx Black and White, and Hard Candy and Pink Starburst. Next one, we have, oh my gosh, this color is so bright in a good way. Wow, look at this color. Sway Short Margarita. Oh my goodness. That is freaking bright. I hope the camera can pick up the color, but like, oh my goodness. I think it would really look good on me with my brown complexion. Mesmerized. Like, I'm not into bright, but this color is just stunning. Also, I have this in black from the previous collection and I chose to get another one because I was looking at my camera rolls and saw me wearing the sway short in Onyx Black and I was like, oh, I forgot how those look good on me. They're so comfy and cute. I just don't really do cardio that much. That's why I don't lean towards cardio pieces. But man, this collar and sway shorts, I'm not gonna pass on that. It has a short liner inside with pocket, both sides. So yes. We have 4 different colors for this collection. We have the Margarita, Pop Rocks, Grape Juice, and Onyx Black. Next one is Miracle Seamless Legging in Grape Juice. This color and these leggings. Okay, oh my, wow. That's beautiful. Oh man, look at that color. So I was just eating grapes earlier. How beautiful color, it's stunning. I've never tried any Miracle leggings before because on the previous collection, Bailey's collection, it was previously pre-ordered, so I didn't get my hands on these. But a lot of people love this and a lot of the athletes also love this. And I'm very excited to try this out because I have been begging and praying. I've been craving for a more glute lifting pieces and this should do that. It has this like a pocket for your glutes. So you can see this contour part right here. So it's supposed to like lift. It provides compression to lift your glutes. So I'm very excited about that. It's very stretchy. I just can't. This is just so gorgeous. So that's why I also got this in another color. The Miracle leggings come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 different colors. So this is grape juice. We have charcoal, Warhead, and hard candy. Okay, let's see the other color. This is the Warhead. Miracle seamless leggings in Warhead. There she is. At first, I wasn't so sure how I feel about this color on a seamless leggings, but I can't wait to try it because it's the Miracle leggings that everybody talks about, everybody hypes about, so I'm excited for that. But this is what it looks like. I'm not 100% sold yet with this color on a seamless, but we shall see how it fits me. Okay, let's go with this. So this is a Flirty Flow Short Boy Short in the color Sunbeam. As I've mentioned, I am not a big cardio person, but when I go for a run or walk or some sort of cardio, jump rope or whatever, at least I have some pieces to use, you know, whenever I do those activities. But yeah, this is what it looks like. We've seen this color from the previous collection, one more collection, and it's gorgeous. It has a smoked waistband with inside drawstring, as you can see here. And it has a short liner inside. I think this is 4 inches. And pockets, of course. So this actually has 2 versions. We have the short bikini. This is the boy short. So if you're a runner and you want more movement or like range of motion, bikini one I think is a better option for you. But I like to have pockets. That's why I picked up this one. This comes in 4 different colors. So this is Sunbeam. We have Lavender Smoke, Onyx Black, and Azul. Let's look at the darker ones. This is Halo Halter Tank. I love anything halter. I can't miss the halter tank. It looks like this. It's very soft. The material they use for the Halo Baby Tee is the same material with the Halo halter tank. Basically, it's this, but a halter tank. Picked up the black because I know it's gonna go well with every color, and I love halters. So I want to be able to wear this with any of the colors. So it's very comfortable and soft, lightweight. Like, I love that it has a shelf bra. I am very excited about that. I did not expect that because of how thin the material is. I did not expect for this to have a shelf bra, and I know I'm gonna love this even more because of that, because I was kind of like worried, okay, how am I supposed to wear that without the bra? You know, that's another problem to think about, what bra to pair with this thing, but it has a shelf bra, so that solves that. So this comes in 3 different colors: the black, Atari, and Ring Pop. I'm very excited about the full-length tops from this collection because I have been waiting for a full-length top, because there are just days when I don't feel like showing more skin, or when I don't feel like 100% confident, or when I feel bloated and I just don't want to show abs, or I just don't want to show extra skin. This is a great option for that. So I am very excited and happy about that. I had to take a break because my camera was overheating, even though my AC is on and it's not super hot day today. But I've got a few more pieces to talk about. So let's roll. Let's speed things up. It's the Highlight Nubray crop. This is what it looks like. Ooh, this color is gorgeous. It's a 2-toned top. Another full length. I love that. So this is in the color Grape Juice, and I think this is Grape Juice and Tango. I believe this is Pop Rocks color. It's not like two tops, you know, together, only the straps, if that makes sense. So this is what it looks like closer. I think it's cute. One is like the crisscross design on the back and a halter. So that's super cute. And again, it has a shelf bra, which is always nice. So this is what it looks like inside. Let me show it to you. So the shelf liner looks like this in front. And then on the back, it's shorter over here. When you wear a top that has like shelf liner front all the way to the back, sometimes it can feel uncomfortable when you wear them for longer period of time. We'll see about this. I hope they are as comfortable, but we'll see how this one fits. We have another green. This is Margarita in Atari, another reversible, and this is a girlfriend sports bra. And a lot of athletes love the girlfriend sports bra, and I'm one of them. I have the original version, and this one has updated fit. This bra is perfect, especially for my IBTC girls. I am actually wearing the old girlfriend bra underneath this, and first time I wore it, I really loved it, but I think I'm gonna love it even more with this updated fit. I think a lot of people experience some spills because of like just the cut, but this one, they improved it, which I am super grateful and excited about. Looks like this. Again, I'm gonna do a more in-depth video and comparison on my next video, so stay tuned for that. She is so pretty. I am freaking out. I love this color. Look at her. Flip it. It's gonna look like a two-tone sports bra, like this. Wow, so pretty. I think Atari and Margarita are like color of the year for me. I don't know. If you're a neutral girl like me or not a super fan of brights but still want some fun here and there, absolutely highly recommend this color, Margarita and Atari. We have another Warhead. This is Scoop Seamless Sports Bra. The fit of this is also updated. We originally saw this from Genesis collection, and there's some fit changes. This is what it looks like. Wow, this blue is gorgeous. This is Warhead in Newbury, and this is Warhead in Seamless. Seamless top, and this one is the Warhead in Miracle leggings. These two are more solid colors compared to this. I have this in Moody from the Genesis collection, so I'm gonna compare that for sure in my next video. Look at the back. It's more scooped compared to the original one. And I can imagine myself like wearing it like this as well. Comes in charcoal, grape juice, Warhead, and hard candy. This is another customer favorite, aggressive scrunch highlight leggings in onyx black. I got the black one because again, I can pair it with any top. Okay, ooh, she's cute. Look at that detail right there. So it has this little like highlight seam. Looks like that. And on the back, it looks like this. We have two. And the aggressive scrunch. They call it aggressive, but trust me, when you wear these, they're not aggressive. You can't even see the scrunch, which is nice. So it looks like that up close. So the aggressive scrunch just became a little more spicy with a little bit of this cute details here and the back. I don't think I've ever owned the leggings. Don't kill me. So I think I have the shorts because like I've mentioned in my previous video, I'm more of a short girly just because I live in a humid, warm temperature. So I lean towards more shorts because they're just more breathable because it's less fabric. But I'm trying to diversify and explore more, and I am very excited to try these leggings. I've got this in another color because I love anything that's gonna enhance my glutes. Who doesn't love that, right? Anyway, I have it in Atari. And this is what it looks like. Ooh, this color with this highlights. Oh my God. Look at this, they go so well together. Just this tee and this, gorgeous. But the highlight is Margarita. Looks what it looks like on the back. Okay, I think the stitching on the green one is better than the black. Let me compare, because like here, I don't know if you can tell, but that's, I don't even know how to like, I think this is more seamless. This is more smooth, flawless. I don't know, but yeah, this one looks smoother than the white one. But yeah, just something to keep in mind. Comes in 3 different colors: onyx black, grape juice, and atari. One piece left here. Of course, it's another atari because atari is just gorgeous. This is the halo halter tank because halter tank is just my middle name. Anyway, this is what it looks like in the color atari. Gorgeous. So many gorgeous pieces in this collection. I cannot wait to try them on. I cannot wait to try them on for you and wear them to the gym. If you love brights, you're gonna love a lot of pieces in this collection. So those are the pieces I got. If you want to see an in-depth review, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video if it was helpful. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.